This is why you need to spot hidden water damage early. Hidden water damage can go unnoticed for weeks or even months, causing severe structural issues and costly repairs. But fear not. Here are some signs you should never ignore. Peeling paint or wallpaper. This could mean moisture is seeping into your walls, a musty odor. That's a red flag for mold growth. Warped floors or ceilings. Water can distort materials over time, creating uneven surfaces. Unexplained high water bills. You might have a hidden leak. Ignoring these signs can lead to mold growth, weakened foundations, and expensive restoration work. But you don't have to face this alone. At AWR Restoration and Cleaning, we specialize in detecting and managing water damage before it becomes a major problem. Our expert team provides rapid water extraction and drying, advanced moisture detection, professional restoration and repairs. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your home and your wallet. Call us now at 253-364-0092. Visit us at www.advancedwaterrestoration.com. Serving Kent, Washington, and surrounding areas, AWR Restoration and Cleaning, your trusted partner in protecting your home from hidden water damage.